This conference will now be recorded.
Where it is? Okay. On 11th August, we discussed about data types, right? Good evening, Lavanya. Okay. So basically, we have four types of data types: int, char, float, and double. I think we discussed all these things. Char used to hold single character. Okay. Int, fixed length character like integers. Float is nothing but decimal values, which is nothing but floating values. Double, okay, it is also used to store floating values, but double precision means more memory. Next we have qualifiers. It alters or modifies the basic data type. For example, short and long. If you use short and long in front of basic data type, it will changes its sizes and sign. Example, short int, and we have long int. Okay. Similarly, we have long double, short double. Okay. And we have signed qualifiers also, like signed int or unsigned int, both. Basically, we have four data types: char, int, float, and double. Remaining are nothing but qualifiers, like long int, short int, signed long int, unsigned long int, signed short int, unsigned short int, like that. Okay, these are called qualifiers. Okay, for the basic primary data types. Okay, for example, we have signed short int, one type. Actually, the basic primitive data type is int, but we have short qualifier and signed qualifier, both. Okay, unsigned, unsigned short int, same like that. Signed int, unsigned int. We have long int, signed long int, unsigned long int. Okay, basically we have only primitive data type, primary data type, which is nothing but int. But if we add qualifiers, it will change its behavior and size also.
Sir,
Ah,
hello. Sir, screen share చేయండి సార్.
ayyo, sorry. Thank you. ఎవరమ్మా చైతన్య చెప్పింది? అయ్యో, సారీ. ఓకే. సార్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయండి సార్. ఓకే. సారీ. యూ కెన్ టాక్ అమ్మా, నో ప్రాబ్లం. మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ అయ్యి యూ కెన్ టాక్. నౌ కెన్ యూ సీ ద స్క్రీన్?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే వాసు. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ మొదటి నుంచి చెప్దాం. స్టార్టింగ్. ఓకే. On our previous class, we discussed about data types, right? Why we are using data types? We have to inform, we have to specify the type of data before its use to the C compiler. Basically, we have four types of data types: char, int, float, and double. Char is nothing but to hold or store single character. Int is nothing but to store fixed length like integer, minus 30, plus 30, 4, 5, like that. Okay. Next, float. Float is nothing but to store decimal values, nothing but floating values like 34.95, 27.95, like that. Again, we have double. Okay. Double is nothing but double precision, means two times. Double precision floating value, nothing but two times precision. What is the precision? Maximum number of digits. What is precision? Maximum number of digits. Next, we have qualifiers. Qualifier is nothing but it changes its size. Okay. For example, we have short and long. Both are qualifiers. If you add these two qualifiers in front of any basic data type like int, char, float, double, it changes its size. It changes its sizes. If you are using short means you can use lesser number of bits. Long means okay, greater number of bits. And we have signed qualifiers also. Signed int and unsigned int. Okay. For example, we have int, we have short int, we have unsigned short int. Okay. You see, we have int. It is a basic data type. If you add short qualifier, it will be short int. If you are using signed and unsigned qualifier, then it will be signed short int and unsigned short int. Same like that here also. Okay. Signed int, unsigned int, long int, signed long int, and unsigned long int. Similarly, we can use these qualifiers for char data type like signed char, unsigned char, both. Okay. So these are the qualifiers we are using for data types. Basically, it has four data types: char, int, float, and double. But if you are adding qualifiers, it changes its data type. It changes its memory space. Okay. For example, signed char. It is a 1 byte. 1 byte means in 1 byte how many bits are there, beta? 8 bits, right? Okay. So in 1 byte, how many bits? 8 bits. Okay. 8 bits means it is nothing but 2 power 8. 2 power 8. Okay. Which is nothing but 2 power 8. 2 power 8 is how much? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 34, 32, 32, 4 to the 64, 64 to the 128. 128 to the 256 bits. How many bits? 256 bits. So that's why they divide this 256, half of the positive values, half are negative values. Okay, so it starts from minus 128 comma minus 127 comma minus 126, like so on. 0 minus 2 comma minus 1 comma, okay, 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma up to so on 127. Why? Because signed char stores 1 byte. 1 byte is nothing but 8 bits. So 8 bits means 2 power 8. Why I am using 2 power? Because in binary system we have only 2 digits, 0 and 1. C language, computer language, they understand only binary language, low level language. So it is 2 power 8. 2 power 8 is nothing but 256 bits. How much amma? 256 bits. So in this 256 bits, half are negative values like minus 128, 127 up to minus 1. Okay. So 128 values and including 0, including 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, up to 127. These are the positive values. Okay, na? So this is the actual structure of a data type storage. Okay, negative values, okay, minus 128 to minus 1, and 0 to 127 it is a positive values. Okay, it means if you declare any variable as signed char, you can store up to 256 bits. These are the addresses minus 128 to 127. Okay, na? Next, for unsigned char, unsigned char, it is also 1 byte. 1 byte means it is 8 bits. Again, it is also nothing but 2 power 8. It is also nothing but 256 bits. But the thing is, it is unsigned. Unsigned. So it, irrespective of negative values and positive values, it will take only the quantity, the number, not the signed value, whether it is a positive or negative. Okay, it will take only the quantity of that number, whether it is a minus 36 or plus 36, it will take only 36. Okay, so that's why it starts from, okay, 0 to up to so on 255. Why? Because these are 255 numbers and it includes 0. So total 256 bits. If it is a signed char, okay, it will take half of the values are negative values, minus 128 to minus 1, and remaining value including 0, okay, those are the positive values. So assume 0 is positive values, then it is a minus 128 negative values, 128 positive values. But here in unsigned character, okay, because it doesn't have any negative value and positive value, so there are total are positive value. We consider total values are positive values. So it will start from 0 and end with 255. Why? Because we are including 0 also. Okay, that is about signed char and unsigned char. Next one, short signed int. Okay, unsigned, signed, short, signed, int. Here also it is 2 bytes. 2 bytes. Okay, 2 bytes means how many bits? 16 bits. ఏమేమేమో మళ్ళీ వినబడట్లేదా? Okay, Kirti. Where is Kirti? Okay. Good evening, Lavanya, Ritishri, Maggie, Harish, Chamu. Okay, 16 bits. Why? Because 2 bytes. 1 byte is 8 bits. So 2 bytes. 2 8s are 16. So 16 bits. So it means it is 2 power 16. Do you know what is 2 power 16 value? Anyone? What is 2 power 16 value? Tell me the value of 2 power 16. It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 up to 16 times. Anyone? Yes, Chamu. It is nothing but 65,536. Okay. 2 power 16, which is nothing but 65,536. So it will start from minus 32,768 minus 32,767 minus 32,765 hello minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 up to 32,767. Okay, well, because half of 65,536 is nothing but 32,768. Okay, so 32,768 negative values from minus 32 here, and remaining are positive values including 0. Okay, so this is about short signed int. Okay, next one is short unsigned int. Short unsigned int, which is nothing but 2 bytes. Again, 2 bytes means it is nothing but 16 bits, which is nothing but 2 power 16, which is nothing but 65,536. 65,536. So the values are start from 0. Why? Because it is unsigned. So which is nothing but 65,535. Okay, because it includes 0 also. So it is actually 65,536. It includes 0. So the last number is 65,535. Okay. So this is about short unsigned int. Short unsigned int. Next one is signed int. The next one is signed int. Same, it is also 2 bytes. Okay, signed int. So which is nothing but 16 bits, which is nothing but 2 power 16. As all of you know that it is nothing but 65,536. Okay, signed int. So it is nothing but minus 32,768 minus 32,767, like that, minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma so on till 32,767. Okay, so this is about signed int. Short unsigned int and signed int both have the same memory, 2 bytes. Okay, but here it doesn't have negative values, so it starts from 0, whereas it is a signed int, which is nothing but it has negative values. Half of them are negative values, half of them are positive values, including 0. That's why it is 68, it is 67. Okay, next again, unsigned int. Unsigned int, here it is also 2 bytes. Unsigned int, it is nothing but 2 bytes. Okay, so again it is 16 bits, 2 power 16. Again same 65,536. Unsigned, so it is nothing but 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma so on till 65,535. Okay, if you see short unsigned int also same values, unsigned int also it is the same values. Okay, same memory and everything is same. The next one is long signed int. ఏమైందమ్మా మళ్ళీ? Long signed int. Long signed int, it is a 4 bytes. 4 bytes means how many bits? 32 bits. 4 8 the 32 bits, so which is nothing but 2 power 32. What is the value of 2 power 32? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 up to so on 32 times. Okay, so can you tell me what is the value of 2 power 32? Yes, anyone? Okay, it is more than 2 lakhs. Okay, it is more than 2 lakhs. Okay, so it starts from minus 2147483648 to 0. Okay, this is the value 2 power 32. Okay, for long signed int, for long signed int it is nothing but, tell me how much? 214 crores 74 lakhs 83,645. Okay, make it double, that is nothing but that much of memory we can store if we declare any variable as a long signed int. Next one, long unsigned int. Long unsigned int. It is also nothing but 4 bytes. Okay, which is nothing but 32 bits, which is nothing but 2 power 32. 2 power 32, and it is a unsigned. So it will start from 1, 2, up to so on. The number is 42949 67295. Okay, so it is nothing but 429 crores 49 lakhs 67,000. Hello. Okay, so this is about long unsigned int. It has 4 bytes. Okay, next again we have float values. Float values. Okay, which is also 4 bytes. What is the maximum size of float data type? 4 bytes. What is the int data type? 2 bytes. What is the character? Char 1 byte. Okay, char occupies 1 byte, the maximum size. Int occupies 2 bytes, whereas float it occupies 4 bytes. 4 bytes అంటే ఎంతమ్మా? It is nothing but 32 bits. It is nothing but 2 power 32. What is the 2 power 32 value? This one, 429 crores 49 lakhs 67,296. Okay, 42 lakhs 429 crores 49 lakhs 67,296. Okay, so that is about float. In the float it has negative values as well as positive values. Okay, like this one. Floated values. Okay, in the interview he will ask what is the difference between long int unsigned, like that. Okay, you have to mention clearly. Okay, unsigned data type start from 0. Okay, signed data it has negative values and positive values including 0. Okay, that is the thing. So what is the data type of float, which is nothing but 4 bytes. Next one is double. It is a 8 bytes. 8 bytes means 2 power 8. 2 power 8. How much am I? Okay. Very good, Maggie. 4 billion. 4,224,964,000, like that. Okay, very good. Okay, but here we have 8 bits. 8 bits means how many 8 bytes means how many bits? 8 8s are 64 bits. 8 8s are 64 bits. It means 2 power 64. 2 power 64. Okay, so what is the value of 2 power 64? Yes. Okay, it is more values. Okay, 429 96 lakhs. Okay, 7,296. Okay, it is a very huge value, 2 power 64. Okay. Why? Because we have to again multiply this with the same number. 2 power 32 into 2 power 32. Then only it is 2 power 64. It is a huge number. Okay. Leave it. No one ask. Next again long double. It is a 10 bytes. It is a 10 bytes. 10 bytes means how many bits? Okay. In each byte it is a 8 bits, right? Okay. So it is nothing but 2 power 10. 8 is 64. It is nothing but 80 bits, right? Okay. 256. Huh? Okay. 256 bits. Huh? Okay. 2 power 32. 10 bytes. Okay. Which is nothing but 10 into 8. 8 bits. Which is nothing but 2 power 80. Okay. అది ఎంత ఉంటుందో you can easily understand. Okay. So by using qualifiers, we can change the primary data types like char, int, float, and double by using qualifiers like short, long, signed, and unsigned. Okay, Nama? Long like that. Okay. Okay. Notes rasta Rama. Can you write down the notes? నుంచి కదా. Okay. Can you write down the notes, Amma? Time ఇవ్వాలా? Yes, sir. Wrong typing, sir. Okay. మీరా నేనా మ్యాగీ? Okay. Okay. Write down the notes. ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి. మ్యాగీయా? Yes, tell me. Okay. Write down the notes, Amma. Okay. ఇది మొన్న రాశారా మీరు ఇది క్వాలిఫైర్స్? ఇక్కడ నుంచి రాయండి. ఓకే. Okay. Write down the notes, Amma.